Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into one of the fundamental building blocks of the English language, the 8 parts of speech. Understanding these will not only improve your grammar but also enhance your writing and communication skills. So, let's get started. 1. Nouns, the building blocks of language. Hello everyone. Today, let's talk about nouns, one of the most essential parts of speech. Nouns are words that name a person, place, thing, or idea. They help us identify and refer to everything around us. Examples: the dog ran across the yard. She visited Paris last summer. Honesty is the best policy. Nouns can be classified into proper nouns, common nouns, collective nouns, abstract nouns, and more. 2. Pronouns, avoiding repetition. Pronouns replace nouns to make sentences smoother and avoid repetition. Without pronouns, we would constantly repeat names and objects, making our speech cumbersome. Examples: instead of saying, Sarah loves Sarah's dog, we say, she loves her dog. They went to the store. It is raining outside. Types of pronouns include personal, possessive, reflexive, and demonstrative pronouns. 3. Verbs, expressing action and being. Verbs are action words or state of being words. They help describe what the subject of a sentence is doing. Examples: she runs every morning. He is a doctor. They were excited about the trip. Verbs come in different forms, including action verbs, linking verbs, and auxiliary verbs. 4. Adjectives, adding color to language. Adjectives describe nouns and pronouns by giving more information about them. Examples: the beautiful sunset took my breath away. She wore a red dress. That was a delicious meal. Adjectives help us create vivid images in our minds and add depth to our descriptions. 5. Adverbs, modifying actions and more. Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, and even other adverbs. They answer questions like how, when, where, and to what extent. Examples: he ran quickly. She speaks very softly. We arrived early for the meeting. Many adverbs end in rely, but not all do. 6. Prepositions, showing relationships. Prepositions help show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another part of the sentence. Examples: the book is on the table. We walked through the park. She sat beside me. Prepositions are crucial in indicating time, place, direction, and more. 7. Conjunctions, connecting words and ideas. Conjunctions connect words, phrases, or clauses and help sentences flow better. Examples: I wanted to go, but I was too tired. She likes both coffee and tea. You can have cake or ice cream. The 3 types of conjunctions are coordinating, subordinating, and correlative conjunctions. 8. Interjections, expressing emotions. Interjections are short exclamations that express emotions. They add energy and feeling to our speech and writing. Examples: wow! That's amazing! Ouch! That hurt! Oops! I dropped my phone. Interjections are often followed by an exclamation mark and are useful for conveying spontaneous reactions. Conclusion, and that's it. The 8 parts of speech play a crucial role in structuring our sentences and conveying meaning effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.